We're now going to begin a series of videos in regard to contact lens inventory. And there's going to be a number of videos with contact lens inventory because there's a number of subjects that involve different modules. One is a new module with Optiport integration. Secondly, something that pairs with that is purchase orders and how that can be submitted to Optiport. Optiport is a national alliance of eye care providers that leverages the combined strength of its member companies to provide revenue enhancing, cost saving, and market expanding opportunities, as stated on their website. And in the release of version 10 with My Vision Express, there's a seamless integration to their CLX contact lens management portal. And we're going to demonstrate this, and you'll witness how this will enable you to be more efficient with your inventory management. You can set up minimums and maximums, inventory levels. System will then automatically be able to generate purchase orders to be sent electronically to their web services. It can improve your order entry that way to validate contact lens parameters. And you can import thousands, probably hundreds of thousands of configurations for contact lens items as per prescription. And the patient service as well will be improved because on any purchase order that you might create that is a combination of many quick orders or inventory reorder points, which we'll describe in a moment, these can be shipped to multiple recipients in either multiple locations that you may have or even directly to the patient. So, at this point, there's also a limited time offer for My Vision Express customers to experience no charge for setup and installation, use of the base system, and no charge for customer service in regard to Optiport. Setup is quick and easy. You may contact Optiport at 314-743-0781, extension 2353. Once you contact Optiport, they're going to gather some information, and they're going to ask about a description of your practice, get information about your practice. They're going to need to know how many locations and which locations are going to be utilizing Optiport, and which employees will be using Optiport amongst those locations. Once that is accomplished, you'll be provided with information that you can use to set up Optiport in My Vision Express. So let's take a look at where we do that. File, Setup, Company Information. We're going to go to System Settings, and down here it's a little tough to see, but there's a client identification number from Optiport they'll give you, and this is for your entire system. If you have multiple locations, this will be your global ID for all your system. Here you'll provide that and check off production. From there, you'll go to Location Settings, and you'll be given an office ID for your actual location. Once this all is accomplished and you have it set up and your account's active with Optiport, you will want to create a supplier. So here you can see we go to File, Setup, Supplier. Now I've already created this, but basically you would just add the supplier and then fulfill this information. The supplier, I obviously just put the name, but this is just a static text right here that's available in drop downs throughout the application. For instance, when you create a quick order, and from that quick order, if an inventory item needs to be ordered through Optiport, let's say, you can then click on a control for Create PO, and we'll demonstrate this. From there, a drop down would be provided for you to select Optiport. But this is not mapped anywhere. This is just for your informational purposes. There are Optiport controls in different portions later that link to their web services. However, because contacts is checked, you'll notice that these items are pulled from your inventory of contact lenses, and the highlighted items are active. And as we'll demonstrate later as well, you can import directly from Optiport to update your inventory right here, despite your on hand, which will be fulfilled either in purchase ordering or through direct submission to Optiport. We'll demonstrate all this in our future videos that are on the way. But this is the basics right here that you need to undergo as far as it goes for setting up the Optiport. In the next video, we're going to discuss connecting to Optiport and also combining that with sending directly from a quick order. After that, then we'll get into the purchase orders and the many ways that you can have a source for a purchase order.